Exciting news today, Wrapped Secret is now live on Ethereum, meaning you can take your secret, wrap it in an ERC20 token, and then provide liquidity on UniSwap. So I'm going to take you through how to do that real quick here. First things you're going to need to do, when you come to the bridge page, I'm on the testnet page, you're going to be on the main bridge page, and I'll link that below. But you're going to want to connect your MetaMask wallet here. I'm going to connect that, and you're going to want to connect your Kepler wallet. You're going to want to already have Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet for providing liquidity on UniSwap. You're going to want to have Secret in your Kepler wallet for paying for fees on the Secret network, and you're going to want to have Secret already in your Kepler wallet to convert to Wrapped Secret. And there's a separate tutorial which will show you how to convert regular Secret to Secret if you don't already know how to do that. I'm going to go from a SNP 20 into Wrapped Secret. So I have 900 here. So let's just do 400 of those. Let's use my MetaMask address and click continue, click confirm. And I'm going to approve that transaction. So what I'm doing now is converting Secret into Wrapped Secret, which will be in my MetaMask wallet when this transaction is complete. And then you're going to see my wSCRT balance go up here to 400. I have my wSCRT now. I have my Ethereum, which means I can use UniSwap and I can provide liquidity in a UniSwap pool and earn money for my tokens here. So I'm going to go to uniswap.org. I'm going to launch the app. All right. And I'm going to click pool up here. And so I don't have any current pools. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import the wSCRT token, and I'm going to leave the address for that token in the description as well. So I'm going to add that pair there and import that pool. I don't have any liquidity there, so I'm going to add liquidity. Let's say, so I only have 400 wSCRT, so I need, let's do 1 Ethereum, which equates to 226 wSCRT on testnet. This conversion will be dependent on the actual price of Ethereum and the actual price of Secret when you guys go to do this on the main chain. I'm doing this on testnet right now. All right, so I'm going to approve that pool addition there. Click confirm. All right, and once that's confirmed, I'm going to then approve that transaction to add to that liquidity pool. And then I'm going to click supply finally and confirm that. Just be aware, if you're doing this on the main Ethereum chain, there will be gas fees. All right, so it looked like that was approved. And now you can see down here, my position was created. I currently contribute 82% of the pool. I've contributed 226 wSCRT and about 1 Ethereum to that pool. And I am going to now earn tokens for every transaction that's made between the Ethereum and wSCRT pair. All right, guys, that's it for creating Wrapped Secret from Secret and providing liquidity on UniSwap. Take it easy, guys.